Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your phone's data as a hotspot. First, open your phone's settings menu. Look for Network and Internet or Connections, then tap on Hotspot and Tethering or Mobile Hotspot. Finally, toggle the feature to On. This simple action transforms your phone into a portable Wi-Fi network, allowing other devices to access the Internet using your cellular data plan. It's a quick and convenient way to stay connected on the go. Once your hotspot is active, it's crucial to customize its settings for security and performance. You can change the network name, also known as the SSID, to something easily recognizable. Most importantly, set a strong, unique password to protect your connection from unauthorized access. You can also select the security type, usually WPA2 personal, and choose between the 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band for optimal speed and compatibility with your connected devices. Now that your mobile hotspot is configured, connecting other devices is straightforward. On the device you want to connect, whether it's a laptop or another smartphone, open its Wi-Fi settings. You'll see a list of available networks. Find your hotspot's network name, the SSID you set earlier. Tap on it, then enter the password you created. Once confirmed, your device will connect, and you can start browsing the Internet using your phone's cellular data. Using your phone as a hotspot consumes cellular data, so it's wise to manage your usage. Regularly check your data consumption in your phone settings to avoid unexpected charges. Many phones allow you to set data limits or warnings, which can be incredibly helpful. Remember to disconnect devices when they are not actively using the Internet to conserve both data and your phone's battery life. This ensures you stay within your plan and maintain battery power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.